Improper and incomplete network device installation is an often overlooked security threat that, if left uncorrected, can have dire results. Software-based security measures alone cannot prevent premeditated or even accidental network damage due to poor installation. There are 4 classes of insecure installations or physical access threats: hardware, environmental, electrical, maintenance. Hardware threats are the threat of physical damage to the switch or switch hardware. Environmental threats are threats such as temperature extremes, too hot or too cold, or humidity extremes, too wet or too dry. Electrical threats are threats such as voltage spikes, insufficient supply voltage, brownouts, unconditioned power, noise, and total power loss. Maintenance threats are threats such as poor handling of key electronic components, electrostatic discharge, lack of critical spare parts, poor cabling, and poor labeling. Some ways to mitigate physical threats are as follows: hardware threat mitigation, environment threat mitigation, electrical threat mitigation, maintenance threat mitigation. Allowing access to only authorized personnel and such measures as locking wiring closets reduce the threat of hardware mitigation. It is recommended that you use electronic access control and monitor the facilities with security cameras. Create a proper operating environment through temperature control, humidity control, positive airflow, remote environmental alarming, and recording and monitoring. The installations of uninterruptible power supply, UPS systems, help limit electrical supply problems. It is also recommended to follow preventative maintenance plans, installing redundant power supplies, and performing remote alarming and monitoring. Use neat cable runs, label critical cables and components, stock critical spares, use ESD procedures, and control access to console ports. The command line interface, CLI, is used to configure the password and other console commands.